What's up, guys? It's January 2nd, 2024. Happy New Year's. First trading day of the year. Pretty good range. Got a good downtrend continuation today. So, start off, I guess we'll start with yesterday's context. Yesterday we had a range. We broke down, got 2-3 legs to lower, and we pulled back to about just above 50% of the sell-off. Today we had a big gap down. The bar one had no continuation. It's a bull bar after a big gap down, so this could be profit taking. However, it's still bad for the bears because bears want bar one to be a continuation to show that the market's willing to sell below average, but the market wasn't willing to sell this low. The slope was really far away from the EMA. We had broke through yesterday's low of the day, and we were right on last week's 50% level. Bears get a second leg down here, so this would be leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, and then the market starts to go range bound and starts to pull back to the 50% level. I was long earlier today. That was my PT. It was right here. So I pulled it like this. This purple bar is 50%. I was thinking more of a range day because the first 6 bars are range bound. We have bulls buying below the bear bar, bears shorting above bar 1. So bears are shorting above bull bars, and then bulls bought the low of bar 5, and we rallied past the 50% level of the leg down from bars 2 to 4. Bars 8 to 14 are another leg down, and there's a fractal leg within that. So we can have like leg 1, leg 2-ish, more of a continuation. It wasn't really a measured move. When the moves are not symmetrical, the trend could be ending soon. And the leg 1, leg 2 is not symmetrical here. Here's that fractal leg 1, leg 2 I was talking about between bars 8 to 10, and then bar 11 pulls back, breaking the channel line from 8 to 10, and then they get another leg down. Bulls get a double bottom at bar 14. I ended up buying bar 15, all the way up to the 50% level of the gap down, so like bar 30-ish. Bulls start to get bull gaps, very small bull gaps. My mouse is fidgety. I keep saying I'm going to buy a new mouse, but it keeps working when I'm by myself and then messing up when I'm recording. Bulls get a bull gap that stays open, but there's still all this, I didn't mean to do that. There's still all this bearish pressure from this gap down, so they're just showing that there is a small bull gap. Bulls are starting to buy, create bullish price action. Here's a leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4. And then this could also be I'm really trying to focus on breakouts and leg counting this year. So here we have a breakout through the EMA, and they also get 2 legs. Bars 24 to 25 is a breakout, pull back, leg 2, leg 3's fail, and the market reverses around yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was a good breakout level, breakdown level, and the market retested it with bar 39. It's a nice doji, and we started to sell, got leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3. We made a new low of the day. Oh, that just happened to be red. This is the bar 14 low. I'm going to delete this. Bar 14 low is right here. Yes, that's the low. I don't know why I said that again. So here we get a strong breakout through the EMA, just how bulls broke out here, bears break out here. Pull back, double top, bear flag, double top, reversal, midday reversal, continuation of this short. I think this was a good sell. I got short on bar 48, and I held it to bar 64. Bears got their leg 1, leg 2, leg 3 move. I'm not too keen on trading leg 3s. This is why I gotten out pretty early, because the measured move is met. I thought we were going to go range bound. However, they did get a breakout, but it ultimately reversed and being a sell, a buy backing back up to bar 1. Here we can see, let's see if we get the measured move. So no, that wasn't met. Pull from here. That was a little bit better. It was still bar 67, still sold past it. That's a measured move of the gap down. But yeah, I think this was a good leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. Maybe it was more of this. You can measure this. Go here, back to double top. Yeah. So there's another leg 1, leg 2. This leg 2 was the original leg 2 of this move, but it started to get stronger and it got its own leg 2, which was ultimately a leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, falling wedge. Failed breakout in a range day. First 6 bars of the day is range bound. The bulls get a reversal. They do break bearish market structure, but they don't break this bearish market structure, so they would have to keep buying to be truly bullish. This close though gives the day like a broad bear channel, so we could say maybe something like this. I'm gonna turn off the numbers. I'm gonna turn off the EMA. Yeah, so it's like a spike and bear channel. The gap down is the spike. Here is the bear channel. Yeah, so it was a pretty good day. First day of the year. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. I was long from here. I got out here because I was at 50% level. And I got short here for a leg 1 move. I got out as we approached the low of the day because I thought this was going to happen here. But then they got 3 more bars. Higher low, breakout above the EMA here, and then they start to buy aggressively and vacuum up into the 50% level, open of the day. They don't make a new high though, so with the low of the channel, vacuum to the high of the channel. This was a range day, it was just had a slight tilt to it, because bulls did make money, bears and bulls made money, so it's not a bear trend, it's a broad bear channel. Finally started to get that pullback we've been talking about all year on the daily chart. Oh, this is the weekly chart. So here's the daily chart. Starting to get a higher high, double top, higher high here. And the bars are getting bigger, but there's also wicks below this bar. Bear bars are getting bigger, but the wicks are also apparent. Bears want to get down to here and then break down and retest the breakout level of July 27th, 2023. Hourly chart has that wedge top we talked about, and it did sell, so that's pretty interesting. It just started to rain super hard here. Here's a leg 1, leg 2, and that was met with the gap down. I pulled from the top of this channel to here. That's the pullback, and the gap down was met, and then this gap down was big enough, so it got another sell. Let's see if this gap down. Okay, no, so, oh wait, that's not even, that was not measured right. Here, let's do it like that. And look at that, when you measure it correctly, it lines up. So you can see how leg 1 and leg 2s are everywhere in the markets. That's gonna be my main focus this year, is just leg 1, leg 2s. I am trading live again, had a super profitable day. Yeah, hope you guys did good. Hope you guys had a good New Year's. Stay safe. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. I'm going to try and drop one every day this entire year, excluding the weekends. I'll be doing trade reviews and some other things. Hit the follow button. Have a good day, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.